In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a deep male voice over in Elevenlabs. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to generate a lifelike voiceover with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in and explore each step in detail. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Elevenlabs website, which is home to their free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. This is where the magic happens, and it's the first step in creating that deep, resonant male voice over you're aiming for. Once you've reached the site, your next action is to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to go through the quick process of setting one up. Make sure you remember your login details for easy access in the future. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Elevenlabs homepage. It's organized in a way that makes it simple to navigate, directing you to where you'll perform your text-to-speech conversions. From here, you want to direct your attention to the text-to-speech section. This is essentially the heart of the operation, where you can input your text and tailor it to sound exactly how you want. Now that you've entered the text-to-speech area, you'll notice the voice option. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to customizing and selecting from a variety of voices, each offering different tones and qualities. In order to get that deep male sound we're after, you'll need to click on Select a Voice. This will present you with a list of available voice profiles. Take your time exploring these options as each one has unique characteristics. By now, you should have an understanding of how to find and choose a voice that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, input the text you want converted into speech in the text box provided. It's key to ensure that your text is well crafted with correct spelling and punctuation, as this will greatly influence the quality and professionalism of your final output. After all that setup, you're finally ready to generate your voiceover. Hit the Generate button and let Elevenlabs work its magic. Within moments, you'll have a rich, deep male voiceover ready to download or share. Remember, if the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, don't hesitate to tweak your options and try again. Experiment with different voices and settings until you achieve the perfect output. In summary, Elevenlabs empowers you to create professional-grade voiceovers with remarkable ease. Whether you're working on a project or creating content for personal use, mastering these simple steps will ensure your productions have the impressive vocal quality you desire. Thanks for watching, and happy voiceover crafting!